So I just swapped out the magnet adjuster solenoid. Basically this little pin right here goes up and down, but this one's kind of stuck. And it goes, it's this one right here, so it's got 3 T30. 1, 2, 3. Take those out, just replace it. It comes out super easy. You have this right here, you just want to push that up. Alright, so I just turned the car on and it's idling way better. As you can see, it's not jumping up and down like it was before. But check engine light's still on, so we probably have to go and delete the code. But it looks like it's running way better, so that's always good.